Welcome to Express Inn Richey is within a 15-minute drive of ExxonMobil campus and Cynthia Woods Mitchell Pavilion. Whether you're here for business or leisure, we offer a comfortable and convenient stay. At Express Inn Richey, we offer 24/7 front desk service, free high-speed Wi-Fi, self-service laundry, and ample parking space, all at no extra cost. Relax in our well-appointed rooms features a private bathroom, cable TV service, wake-up calls, and daily housekeeping to ensure your stay is as pleasant as possible. Explore some of Houston's top attractions while staying with us, including the Alley Theater, Buffalo Bayou Park, Six Flags, Hurricane Harbor, ExxonMobil campus, George Bush Intercontinental Airport, and Minute Maid Park, all just a short drive away. Book your stay today for comfort, convenience, and excellent service at Express Inn Richey, your ideal home base in Houston. Experience comfort and convenience at Express Inn Richey, Texas. Book your stay today.